This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, say here. Okay, as of now, okay, blindly we are confirming. Okay, this is our practice system. That's why straight away we are going to confirm warehouse task. There we are confirming the tasks and etc. Okay, but in real projects, how these can be confirmed and etc. Okay, say here warehouse order means it's an executable package. Warehouse order means executable package, executable work package. This we assign to users. This assigned to users. Okay, those can confirm that work. Those that confirm that warehouse order means complete the work. Complete the work. Okay, here users are nothing but resources. Forklift or else high picker, stacker crane, or else conveyor. Conveyor also a resource. Here, conveyor like kind of things. Okay, these are calling as resources. How we assign the work package to them, that is important for us. Okay, just we will have a look. Resources, warehouse workers. Say here, these are the warehouse workers. They use RF device or else any other instrument like some tab or else, they can use different options came nowadays. Okay, RF or else say tab also they can, smartphone also they can use it. Okay, this is the warehouse worker. Forklifts, say here these are the forklifts. If we see here, this is a small forklift, small wheels. Okay, we can use this kind of forklifts within the warehouse, in between the racks and etc. And coming to here, this is heavy forklift. This we use for the unloading loading activities from door to staging area group kind of things. If we use this heavy forklift in between of the racks and etc., if anything is anything is went wrong, complete tracking system will be collapsed. Okay, so here. And some other are there, high pickers. High pickers are nothing but this type. Horizontally it will move, vertical also it will move. Okay, say here one person horizontally move and vertically also he move to top side of the rack to place the product or something, pick the product kind of things. Okay, stacker cranes. Stacker cranes are nothing but, say here these are the automatic, in between of the racks these can move. Okay, those can be confirm either put away or picking kind of things. These are also resources. uh, Warehouse convey. Say here conveyor also a resource in our EWM system. Conveyor also a resource here. Now, how we assign this executable work package to these resources means in the form of queues. In the form of queue. Okay, this queue. And this queue we can assign to warehouse orders, then resources, or else Q, it is possible to determine. It is possible to determine in our warehouse orders. It can be determined during the warehouse task only, but that can be placed in the warehouse order. Okay, this Q. This is very important. Q determination. Q determination. There are 5 control parameters there. Q determination. Certification question. By default, it will come certification question. Source activity area. Destination activity area. Bin access type. Always we should have to remember this. Warehouse process type and activity. These are the 5 control parameters. Either we go with a single control parameters or else combination of control parameters we can use it. But when access is there, we should have to maintain that. That is mandatory. Say we are using this combination, so we should have this kind of, say here in the strategies optimization, like or else in the unload external step, we determined a GR staging area with reference to HU type, but that should be maintained in the access sequence. Like here, one access sequence also there. This we can see. Okay. Now concept is same in both decentralized and S4 HANA. And we are going to EWM environment. IMG setup. SEM extended warehouse management, cross processing settings. Here, one resource management area is there. Go to here. Okay, define queue here. Here, what type of queue it is, we can manage. Say here, if we go a common, my warehouse is small, only I go with a warehouse queue, like kind of things, we go with that. Or else big warehouses, inbound, one kind of queue types, outbound, another kind of queue types, internal, another queue types, kind we can manage. How this can influence means one concept is there called task interleaving. Task interleaving. Task interleaving means, I will tell you with one image. Say here, if we see this image, here resources are there. They are starting with GR2. Say here arrow mark is there. If we do not go with no task interleaving, okay, just they go there, do the put away, came back ideally to their starting place. This is no interleaving. Come to here, task interleaving. Say here, same workers are there. They are starting with the GR staging area group. Okay, first they go there, first preference. Okay, one inbound queue is there. They execute that, and nearby any outbound queues are there. They bring. Say here, instead of coming, ideally, what they are doing, they are okay. First completing the put away, bringing some products to GA staging area. Sometimes we can apply, sometimes we cannot apply these things. Say for example, okay, here in this, both GR staging area groups are in the same side, so we go with the task interleaving. But here GR staging area is there, here GA staging area is there, in between racks are there. We cannot go with the task interleaving. Why? Because from this end to that end, you need to travel, and that end to This end he needs to travel kind of things in between of the racks and kind of things. So depends on the business requirement and etc. We go with that. Next one. Okay, this Q type at RF device level. RF means scanners. This Q type during the RF device, either we want to go for the task interleaving or not, this can be decided. Q type. RF only, not in the desktop. Desktop task interleaving not possible. In the RF only that will work. Okay, say here. Now if we go to here, I am demonstrating in one of the warehouse CKFB, other batch people just refer it. Okay.
See, interleaving is nothing but a cross-docking process
No, no,
fulfillment,
no, no,
we
no.
can
That is
say.
not cross-docking. Cross-docking is separate. Interleaving
I mean, to
here,
fulfill
you are
the demand for cross-docking, I mean, say we are carrying stock directly from GR
no,
area
no,
to
no,
GI area.
no, no,
Mhm.
no. Stop. Cross-docking
Eh,
is meant for the products. Either we want to send the products which are available in the GR zone to GI zone. Okay. In
Mm.
that case, we go with the cross-docking. This is interleaving means resource-wise. Either you want to utilize properly that resources or not, we can decide. Okay.
Sir,
Say here.
Okay.
it is nothing but to save the resources time. Is that right? Instead of
Perfect.
going for the
Perfect. Perfect. I will give one general example. Okay.
Yes.
And say here we have two works. One is to deposit a check in a bank. That is first work. Next work, bringing vegetables to home. Second task. Two tasks are there. Okay. Say here, if I go with bank and come to ideal, and again I go to vegetable market and come to bring that vegetable here. If you see here, returning from bank to our home, that is ideal work, and going to vegetables, that is also ideal work. Bringing the vegetable, that is some the task we are doing. What we can do, we go with the task interleaving. Like first I go to the bank, I deposit the check, and nearby vegetable area I go to the market, bring the vegetable. See here how optimizing my, okay, this one fuel cost or time kind of thing. That is nothing but task interleaving. Okay, see here. Got it, sir?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Thanks.
Go to here. I'm okay demonstrating in CKFB. Okay, otherwise people just to have a look. Go to here in our warehouse, INBQ or IBD queues. For one batch not yet completed outbound, that is also we can check later. Inbound queue, OVD, outbound queue, internal queues as well. Now coming to here, defined queues. I'm going to create, okay, first go with the three queues, inbound, outbound, some internal. Okay, for today, I will, okay, determine inbound only. Okay, one batch outbound is not completed. Okay, but concept is same. Otherwise, people will just go through that idea you can create. Go to here, define queues. Here in this area, we can define the queues. Inbound is there, outbound is there, internal is there, we can proceed with. Say by standard, so we are not using any RF today. Non-RF, we can use it. Non-RF resource management, no resource management, we can use it. And RF resource management, RF can work with resource management only. And MFS means material flow systems. That we can no resource management or resource management, both options are there. Okay, say here, very advanced topic, we can consider this one. First option I am selecting at this point of time. We are going to Use these queues in desktop environment. Non-RF means desktop. 3 queues are
So you said that queue types are work only with RF device. So
correct.
here this is the queue type, or this is just an queue definition?
This queue is different. Okay, queue is different. Just wait, we will get. Okay, inbound, internal. That is type. This is queue. Okay, say word.
CK sir,
Yeah, please.
you are selecting non-RF
Yes,
nodes,
yes,
right? Yeah,
yes,
if
yes.
you want to operate within at the same time, I mean, within RF device as well as on desktop, which option we have to go for?
RF, sir.
RF. Then it works for both the desktop as
Both,
well RF.
both.
Okay, thank you.
Right now, see here, we have selected 3 queues, inbound, outbound, and internal. We need to determine it. Go to here, define queue determination criteria. Go to here, these entries I don't require. New entries in our warehouse. The first one is the source activity area, destination activity area. Source activity area normally we use in the picking side. Say RK01, 02, 04, these kind of things, we can use that activity area. And anyway, this we can use for putaway side as well. Say for example, if we maintain the activity areas for GR staging area group, this we can use it. Okay, say here this one. Destination activity area. What is your destination activity area? Either GI zone or else. Okay, RK01, 02, whatever. Next one. Bin access type. This is also one criteria. Why bin access type means, say here forklift, I'm going to show that in resource management, forklift cannot access the now only levels. Why this is also required means, I will tell you. Say here forklift is there and the person also there. Okay, this forklift cannot access these carton boxes. If we try to lift that carton box through the forks, okay, that will be damaged. And a person cannot carry pallet. Okay, that 3.5 feet okay width is there. It's not possible to lift the this one. So I want to restrict these queues. Okay, say here bin access type we can manage with reference to bin access type. Next one, here warehouse process type, this one, and here activity. Now I am asking you all one question. Please think and tell me, sir. Say here we used in the inbound POSC 3060. What is the activity within it? From decon to VAS, GR zone to decon, we moved.
Internal.
Okay, decon to VAS also we moved. System creating different warehouse tasks. Okay, we used 3060. Then what is the activity within that 3060?
Internal.
Come on, please. Come on, please.
Internal, correct? Moving manually, like 3060 is between the warehouse. Between
No. I am going to show it. That is put away. As a part of put away, we are using it.
got it.
Okay. We are moving a HU as a part of put away. That's why we have the activity put away. Go to here 3060. Have a look. Put away. Now coming to this one queue determination. Instead of creating C010 or else any custom warehouse process type and 3060, I go with a common control parameter, the activity to determine this queue. Okay, say here. That's why we use the activity. Now say here 3060, 3060 and C010 for this warehouse. Both are having activity put away only. Both are having put away. Instead of creating these two warehouse process types, say here this is 3060 put away there. Now coming to here, C010 we used, copying from 1010 put away. Instead of creating two entries, I go with a single activity put away. Like we can do. Okay, say here. Now, first what I am doing is destination activity area, I will tell you. RK01, it go to inbound queue, different we can use. RK02, that is also inbound. RK03, inbound. RK04, inbound. Okay, for all activity areas I am using inbound. Now, queue access sequence is important, otherwise queue will not be determined. Now go to here. This we can delete, we go with our own. Here destination activity area we are using destination. Now we come with some test case first. I am deactivating, okay, the POSC for this. Just normal putaways we can check. Deactivating POSC means simple, go to process type, remove the process type determination control indicator. Now we come with one test case. Purchase order. Go to ERP. Queue determination 01. Now 7912. Not queue. Go to distributed to WMS, it is showing, okay. Just to have a look on SMQ of first ERP. not there. Now go to EWM. Here also not there. Yeah, it is late. Okay. Now come to here. Go to inbound delivery, goods receipt. Now please see here. Creating warehouse task. One is HU warehouse task. I think tax spec is there. No problem. Either HU warehouse task or product warehouse task. Queue determination will not affect. Okay, if you see 5 control parameters, what are those? Source activity area, destination activity area, bin access type, warehouse process type, and gap. Now see here, create. Okay, VAS orders are there. That's why that is. I'm deactivating that VAS for some time. Okay, say here, or else what I'm doing, reverse goods receipt, go to VAS order, delete. I'm not using POSC, but with VAS relevance, VAS order is generating. Now come to inbound delivery, warehouse task, create RK04. Coming to here, message log. During a warehouse task creation only queue can be determined. Okay, now come to here. Last. Queue determination started with CKFB, RK04 destination we have used, and these are there. Okay, all entries are there here, but in the first preference, say here, okay, destination, this is fulfilled. Okay, say here, this is fulfilled first destination. That's why queue got determined inbound queue. Next one we will check. RK01 here. Now, here also we can check. Queue determination started. You got
Screen is frozen, I think.
pardon?
Screen is frozen.
No, sir. What about others, please?
No, it's moving. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Please reconnect. Okay.
It's
Come
frozen.
here. Here you got determined. RK01 one is going. RK04 one is going. Now these queues going to be stored at warehouse order header level. Come to here. Say here. This is HU warehouse task. Go to warehouse order. Queue is there. Queue is there. This is product warehouse task. Queue is there. See here. This queue, while creating the warehouse task only determining, but that can be placed in warehouse order at header level. Warehouse order is executable work package. Okay, say here. Now what we can do? We use different queues. RK01, if it is going to RK01, RK01 IVD one queue. RK04 it is going RK04 IVD one queue. We can determine. Okay, say here this one. Now come to here. I am cancelling this. Now go to again queue determination. Here, sorry. Go to queue determination. cross processing settings, resource management, define queues. Here coming to here queue. Now this I am copying as RK01 IVD. RK04 IVD. Two separate queues. Now I am going to use it here. Say here. Destination is this one, right? Now I am going to copy this RK01 and put away. Yes, second we are using. In that case, that should go to RK01 IVD. RK04 plus put away, that is going to, that should determine RK04 IVD. Say here, two combinations we are using. Now, coming to access sequence, copy this we are using. Now see here, like we have maintained. Now again create the warehouse tasks. Inbound only determine. Inbound only. Inbound only. The reason is in the sequence one, first only it is fulfilling. Now more specific to specific I am giving. Say this combination. Okay. Say RK04 IVD. Say here. Means more specific to specific we need to have it. Okay. This one. Say for example, outbound, sorry, unload activities. I want to create one queue called unload. For that, what we can use, source is door win, destination is, okay, destination is GR staging area. Both we can use, that we can check. Okay, unload separate queue. Go to queues. The access sequence is place important. Go here. Unload. Come to here, define queue determination criteria. We don't have this one, what activity areas for GR and this thing. For that, what I am doing, master data, activity areas. Okay, generate activity area, IVDR. One door is there, IVDR. Successfully. CKGR is there. Successfully. You can see these activities. Please see here. Again, activity area playing a role here for deconsolidation, automatic deconsolidation, and etc. Activity areas only. Sort sequence activity areas only. Okay, in further outbound side, warehouse order creation role also activity area only. Say here, how many times this is playing a role? Okay, say this one activity area plays a very very important role in EWM. Say here, CKGR, IBDR, both are this one. Now coming to here, cross processing settings, resource management, define queues, queue determination criteria, say new entries in our warehouse, IBDR2, CKGR, that should go to unload. That should go to unload. Now coming to define access sequence. New entries, source and destination. I'm using source and destination. Now I'm activating PYSC for these products. PYSC means go to MAT1 and giving process step determination control indicators. Come to here, MAT1.
You wanted to give for mat 1 or mat 4?
Mat 3 and Mat 4. Okay, here
Okay.
for this web, these are Mat 3 and Mat 4. Come to here. Now coming with one test case. Unload queue can be determined first part. Second part, okay, that is going to, we will check what the second part and etc. Tomorrow we confirm this through RF devices. Carton boxes. Okay, 7913. Door went to GRV. Here 01. Okay, some destination and activity is there. Queue at the first preference sequence one not maintained. This one and second one only activity or something is there. Destination here also not there. Queue determination number 03. Queue not determined. Queue not determined. What is the problem? We can check. What is the problem? We can check.
I think it should be number 1, correct? If you want it, I think we
No.
had number 3.
Even though 3 also there, that should be pick. Okay, some error is coming. We will check it, sir. CKGR is there. Go to queue determination. No, that is not that one. Okay, third option also should trigger. Go to here. Some access sequence or something is missed. We will find out. Resource management. Define queues. Unload. This is fine. Unload we used CKGR and unload source destination. These are perfect. Here's some wrong we have. Source and destination we used here. One thing. What is the names of? Yeah, got it. Region can anyone can guess. Already bins are there. I have created activity area. If that is the case, we should have to go for bin sort. Bin sort. Okay. Now I will tell you, sir. Please see here. One or two friends getting error like a consolidation group not defined and etc. Our mentor said that go for SBST kind of thing here. I will tell you. Now go to this. Not falls under anything. Now come to here. Now SBST bin sorting. All complete warehouse handling. Now activity areas came. Came. Now it will come. Determine unload. Okay. See here this. Like it. Okay. See here. Say for example, if we create plus save, two tasks are created. I'm going to monitor. Say to move to door to GR bin. Please note that for waiting warehouse task, system will not create any warehouse order. Say here open warehouse task is there. Now one field is there, say 174, right? Warehouse order is there, say here. This one. 174. If we see here, Q not determined. Why? Q not determined. that combination not there, either 3060 or okay, here where it is going, grb into decon table. That is not there combination, either the source activity area not there, destination not there, even the warehouse process type not there, the activity also not there. Let it be. I am going to create one, this one what, inbound queue with reference to activity, or else 3060. We will check other combination. Just let it be, just for queue. Go to IMG setup, extended warehouse management, cross processing settings, resource management, define queues, queue determination criteria, or else we go with a new one. Putaway internal means from GR to decon to VAS, these kind of things. LOSC also there. This way. Now come to here. See here. But access sequence is important. More specific to specific we need to maintain. Let it be. Say here. If we see here, this is moving. This one. This is moving door bin to GR bin. That is unload. It is determined. Confirm warehouse order. Say here. This got determined. Say here 3060 is there, warehouse process type. That's why this got determined. GR joined to this one. If you see here, somewhere you can see 3060. Here only 3060 is there. That's why that got determined. And however, say for example, any warehouse order, the queue is not determined. It is possible to assign manually. So go to here. Okay, change queue. Come to here, change queue. Here you can select Putaway internal. One thing, why? Why it is not allowing. Other queue we can check. Inbound queue. I think table updated, right? That's why that is not after creating this that is created. That's why that is not. Now we can check change queue. One is we have updated in the table. Same problem is there. Okay, no problem. Say come to here, like a queue can be determined. 5 control parameters we have seen: source, destination, source activity area, destination activity area, bin access type, and say here warehouse process type activity. Say for example, picking side, all we need to a single queue. Picking side. Come to here, picking side, please check. Okay, other batch people. Okay, we have created this one, right? We have completed outbound. Say here. Activity pick. Combination is there, fourth combination pick. That can be working here. Okay, like we can do it. This is the queue determination. Then how we can manage these queues and etc. for resources. Here for resources, two concepts are there. The first one is the resource type. Next one is the resource group. In the resource management, two types are there. The first one is the resource type. What type of resource? At this level, we control bin access type and HU type group. Resource type level. At this level, say here resource type forklift is there. Here we can assign HU type group pallets and bin access type pallet here. And coming to human, HU type group cartons, bin access type boxes we can use. Okay, like we can control to do not access the irrelevant bins and irrelevant packages. Okay, we can control it. Where at resource type level. The next one is resource group. Next one is resource group. Resource group is nothing but we group together. We group together resources from a single resource type the resources are multiple resource types we group together. At this level, we assign the queues. Now come to here, one more image is there. Say here, resource group of the resources. If we see here, one human worker is there, one forklift is there. This worker belongs to this resource type. This forklift belongs to this forklift. But we group together and assign a inbound queue. Here also, one more worker is there, forklift is there, but we assign resource group to assign the outbound queues. Okay, say for example, some forklifts and some human workers group together as resource group, we assign some inbound or outbound activities. The same for other groups as well, like kind of things. Okay, say this one, this we can see. Go to IMG setup. Define resource types. Here, go to here. New entries. manual resource. Here also we can control either that can be go for task interleaving or not. Mission resource. Coming to here, manual resource. I am assigning bin access type. Nothing is there here. This worker we can use. Okay. Now coming to here, worker. HU type groups. Here we are assigning cotton box for this manual worker. Now come back. One more we can maintain. Forklift. Here we can control it. Pallet. Two resource types we have maintained. Two resource types, say here. This one. One is manual, one is forklift. Okay. One thing. One is already there. This one mission. We are going to delete it. Now this is the resource type. Coming to here, resource group, that is pure master data. This resource group, pure master data. Go to here, extended warehouse management, master data, resource management, maintain resource group. Here, say here. We create RG01, RG02. Save it. Now maintain queue sequence in resource group. Here, if we want to go with task interleaving, multiple we can use. Say for example, RK01, first preference is inbound. RK01, second preference, if we want to go with interleaving, outbound. Say for example, any queue in between, we don't require interleaving. After unloading, system cannot consider for interleaving, like kind of things we can use. Coming to here, RK02, first outbound, next RK02, inbound. Say here, two resource groups. Now coming to here, maintain resource. Here we can manage the resources. Go to here, resource 1. Resource type is, say for example, manual worker, this one. If he falls in any resource group, automatically that queues are come. And here default presentation device, RF, tomorrow we are going to see, say here some handgun I am using. And here standard bin, from where he can use, start. This we can use already. This bin uploaded, say for example, if I use the RF and go to any other bin, that time this can be updated if we tick this. This is standard bin. This can be updated after confirming the each warehouse task. This we can check tomorrow. Now resource 2. check forklift. This falls under RG02. Just assume that, okay? Concept is same.
Sir, one question.
Yeah,
Sir,
please.
we have this queue field over here. So I see that we assign the resource queues to the resource group. So if we assign any queue here, would it restrict that the resource can work on that specific queue only, the WO related to that queue, if we
We don't
assign
have
a value here?
high level is group. Why? Because why here also one option is there means one supervisor is there or else manager is there. He cannot falls under any group. He cannot falls under any resource group. But he want to finish some activity, any struck is there. In that case, that queue here directly we can access. Okay.
Okay. So it means, sir, that if same resource has to work on different queue, then we need to have the resource group, right?
Correct. Exactly. Okay. This also I have given. This is the resource. Then how we can connect this resource to SAP means at user level. Maintain users is there. Go to here. Here already this user assigned for some other things. Okay, here just I am selecting. Go to CKF. Tomorrow I am going to explain about it. Okay, not there. That warehouse. Tomorrow we can do. Next, come to here. Here warehouse. CK. FB. Yeah. And resource one is there. Say this is also I'm not using. Say here, this is the queue and resource management. I will show an image, easily understand. Tomorrow completely we talk about this one, what RF, how this is controlling and etc. We can check. See this. Right side queue is there, green color queue type and queue determination. That queue is okay. We can execute in a non-RF, RF, MFS, whatever it may be. Next, resource group we are assigning. Okay, see here against resource group we are assigning queues. Within this resource group, fall one resource. Okay, resource falls under this group, but this resource is assigned to some resource type. That at resource type we are restricting HU type group and bin access type. With reference to that, one side the resource can be restricted to packaging material means HU type, and other side bin as well. This is the okay. Say here this. What I will do, I will post this in both groups. Okay, just in WhatsApp. Okay, have a look. Just have a look. You will get a complete story. You will get today's with this image. Now, where we are? Yeah, this one. Then how? Okay, we are using source, destination, activity areas, bin access type, warehouse process type, and activity. From where they are picked. Coming to here, go to queue determination criteria. Warehouse task means we know we are okay within that warehouse task. Source storage bin, destination storage bin we have. Say here source activity area and bin access type can be take from this one source storage. This bin associated with activity area, just now we have seen one door bin is there, right? That door bin associated with the door activity area source bin, and bin access type, if anything use, that can be get from source storage bin. And coming to here, warehouse task, warehouse process type determined. Okay, we can use directly warehouse process type or else activity. Just now we have seen 3060 and 3 C010 same activity put away. Instead of creating two entries, we can use this destination activity area from destination storage. Okay, this is the this one. Okay, this is also I'm posting in a group. Okay, entire picture with that screens you will get. Tomorrow we start with RF. We use RF guns. Okay. Okay, sir. Any doubts regarding today's session?
Sir,
Tomorrow we
where we are controlling in the warehouse, this forklift should not access few bins in the inbound putaway area.
few bins to put away. Okay, bin type you can maintain separate bin access type. Okay, assign that group of bins. You control through resource type. Okay. Okay, sir. Or else that is one way. Other way, you are saying that a few bins, if those are using for cotton boxes, cotton box means handling unit, right? That handling unit HQ type group, you can control to port. Right? Kind of things. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.